For once in our lives, we have surely asked the universe how it would feel to spend a vacation on a cruise ship. For today's video, we will make that dream come true. We will be talking about the top 9 European cruise trips and explaining their best routes. It is not hidden from everybody that Europe screams class, elegance, and luxury. It is really astonishing how a vessel can house casinos, spas, gyms, Broadway-like theaters, and even pools and hot tubs. Indeed, a hotel floating on the sea. But before we dive deeper into the top European cruise trips and their best routes, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button.
Do you like our videos? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notified of our latest videos.
Starting off the list at number 9 is Black Sea Cruise. The route in the Black Sea Cruise allows the guests to experience and learn about the history and culture of the non-frequently discovered European countries. The cruise stops in the beautiful places of Romania, Georgia, Bulgaria, Ukraine, Turkey, and Russia. The voyage includes tours to ancient ruins, visiting museums and churches, tasting the local cuisine, and experiencing the deeply traditional music and dance in the region. Guests can have a deeper experience in the destinations mentioned by walking and being exposed to the landmarks and exhibits. But of course, there is still the option to just stay on board and relax while seeing the sights along the shores of the bordering cities. Black Sea Cruises is best suited for travelers who have a pure interest in heritage, history, and arts. Also, this is one of the most affordable cruises to visit multiple European countries. Next in line at number 8 is Iceland and Greenland Cruises. The voyage offered by Iceland and Greenland Cruises focuses on the experience of beauty and solitude. It explores the rugged terrain and natural attractions of Iceland and Greenland. It covers stops in Reykjavik, Nuuk, and Ilulissat, allowing guests to try whale watching, hot springs, and dog sledding. The route brands itself as a sea venture that is designed to explore the biggest island in the world. On board, you'll get to experience the celebrity treatment from the cruise staff and enjoy the lavish facilities inside. But as soon as you arrive at your destination, Ice and Greenland Cruises aims to introduce its guests to the local lifestyle, participate in green initiatives, and educationally explore the sites. This way, the guests would feel the simplicity of life. Iceland and Greenland Cruises are best for people who enjoy making meaningful, immersive journeys. Coming in at number 7 is Western Europe Cruise. This type of cruise aims to make the guests experience Western Europe's diverse cultures and breathtaking landscapes. Its stops include the countries of Portugal, Spain, France, Belgium, and the Netherlands. Having this voyage is like experiencing a classical European lifestyle with its wine tasting, art museums, and canal tours. The highlights of West Europe Cruise are the chance to visit and see world-class and historical destinations such as the Sistine Chapel, Gaudi's architecture, Da Vinci's works, and more. Art historians and enthusiasts will surely enjoy Western Europe Cruise. Next at number 6 is Adriatic Sea Cruise. Voyage in the Adriatic Sea offers the guests an authentic island experience. The route typically includes visits to Croatia, Montenegro, and Italy. Embarking on this sea cruise will allow the guests to explore the astonishing coastline of the Adriatic Sea and fully enjoy it by having some island hopping, beach excursions, and sightseeing in historical places. Most of the Mediterranean cruises spend a significant amount of time in the Adriatic as most of the guests really enjoy the island experiences. This makes it the perfect cruise for travelers that are into water adventures. Let's continue with number 5, British Isles Cruise. The voyage on the British Isles Cruise allows the guests to have more outdoor activities, which include sightseeing, pub crawls, hiking, and golfing. By being outside, guests learn and appreciate more of the history and culture of the United Kingdom, Ireland, and Scotland. These British countries make up the British Isles Cruise itinerary. It also allows the guests to appreciate the beauty of the British countryside. Some of the destinations included in the tour are Shetlands, Belfast, Lochs of the Highlands, and the Neolithic beauty of Skara Brae. Surely, travelers who love peace, solitude, and nature will have fun on the British Isles Cruise. Next at number 4 is Greek Isles Cruise. Another cruise ship experience that emphasizes the calming powers of nature is the Greek Isles Cruise. With its route that covers the Greek islands of Santorini, Mykonos, and Crete, guests can have the chance to enjoy a laid-back island lifestyle rich in summer vibe activities such as swimming and sunbathing. Of course, the tour will not be completed without visiting the ancient ruins, amphitheaters. The other spots to be visited are the White Cliffs of Milos, the Temple of Aphaea, the Terrace of the Lions, Acropolis, and Akrotiri. Sunsets and sunrise are also worth waiting for in these locations. Greek Isles Cruise is best suited for travelers who need an enjoyable and meaningful rest. Not only that, but because Greece is the birthplace of poetry and art, experiencing the Greek Isles Cruise would be a core memory for travelers with a passion for art and literature. Coming in at number 3 on the list is Baltic Sea Cruise. You can explore the unique architecture, culture, and history of Stockholm, Helsinki, Tallinn, and St. Petersburg when you embark on a journey on a Baltic Sea Cruise. Aside from learning history, it also allows its guests to have a treat of entertainment by having sightseeing activities, shopping, and trying the local cuisines. The voyage in this cruise features the old European charm. Some of the spots included in the tour are Tallinn's UNESCO-protected Old Town, Denmark's magical castles, the historic buildings of Gamla stan in Stockholm, and the religious sites in Berlin. This will surely make you feel like you're in the medieval ages. This is best for people who have a medieval fairy tale fantasy. Next at number 2 on the list is the Norwegian Fjords cruise. If you are looking forward to experiencing the natural beauty of Scandinavian countries, then Norwegian Fjord cruise is the best recommendation for you. The route covers the beautiful Bergen, Flam, and Geiranger. What you have to expect is the exploration of the dramatic landscapes of Norway, which includes fjords, waterfalls, and mountains. The tour in these Scandinavian countries is dubbed to be awe-inspiring. Guests will surely not run out of activities as they try to complete the Norwegian bucket list, which includes knowing their history, trying their cuisine, and going on adventures. By adventures, they mean to visit Oslo, photograph the fishermen on the coast of Alesund, have a sip of the local craft beer, and climb the heights of Pulpit Rock. If you are adventurous enough to complete the bucket list, then do not hesitate to board a Norwegian Fjord cruise. And now, the number 1 on the list is Mediterranean cruise. This is the classic cruise experience that you can only have in Europe. Mediterranean cruise highlights the stunning Amalfi Coast, the picturesque French Riviera, and the historic ruins of Athens. The route includes stops in Italy, Spain, France, Greece, and Turkey, which are the mainstream European country. This is also the perfect voyage for travelers who have a deep interest in history and culture. Most of the itinerary includes visits to Gaudi's Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, Ephesus, Turkey's ruins, Pompeii, Italy, the Parthenon in Athens, and the Colosseum in Rome. You'll surely never run out of spots to explore. If you are looking for a comprehensive tour in Europe, then the Mediterranean cruise is for you. Interestingly, no two Mediterranean cruises are the same, so guests can have new experiences whenever they go back for a second try. Also, Mediterranean cruise is best enjoyed by honeymooners, families, and older couples. And there you have it. These are the top 9 European cruise trips that you can try if you are thinking of having one in the near future. Tell us what you think about this video by leaving your comments below. Please like this video and click the subscribe button. You may also ring the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos. So where do you want to go next? See you there in our next video.